The wildfires that are devastating parts of the world.
It changes the weather pattern of our planet.
Heavy rainfall.
Droughts have been lingering for much longer, particularly in parts of Africa.
Flash floods and torrential rain.
Rising sea levels. I think the extremes of weather will get noticeably worse.
And this is going to affect obviously our farming, our food production, it's going to affect our travel.
I expect that the world's nations will set new goals and new targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
The government needs to get itself out of the influence of the fossil fuel companies.
I also expect a unilateral agreement to preserve more nature.
I think young people have better ideas than the old people running the government.
There's Greta, so letting us know on social media she's really passionate about it, and that is getting across to younger people.
I'd like them to achieve something out of COP26. I'm not terribly optimistic.
If the politicians are not on board, we haven't a chance.
I would probably try and recycle more and be aware of the plastic I'm using.
We need to think more about wearing more clothes indoors and turning down the thermostat, particularly in the winter too.
I've switched my electricity to a renewable energy company.
Consume products actually more sustainably.
Get on my bike more often, going from here into town.
Giving up meat in my diet, also reducing the amount of dairy that I eat.
Stop buying stuff. We buy far too much stuff.
There has to be a proper communal choice made by society as a whole.
Small changes can make a big difference.
One of the most effective ways, I think, for limiting climate crisis and climate change are to bring people together. And the climate cafes are a brilliant way of doing this.